Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Tuesday, October the 24th, 2017. We'll make this nice and quick. As you can see here in the Dow, it's hitting new all-time highs this week on this weekly chart. Momentum is locked into the upside, and there seems to be no end in sight. Taking a look at the Nasdaq 100. A little bit different of a story, not so locked in, and showing signs of losing this momentum. If the Nasdaq 100 futures closes below 60.48 and 3/4 this week, it would have given up this momentum and opened the door to further downside, probably testing the trendline support of 59.07. All right. Not saying that it will, just saying that this is what it's looking like right now on the chart. That's what it needs to do. Taking a look at gold. Here's what gold is doing so far this week. It has lost all bullish momentum and is flat right now. Not hitting new lows and just flat. So it needs to close above 1289.5 in order to relock in some bullishness and make a run at the old highs. Looking at silver, what does silver need to do? Silver has also lost its bullish momentum, needs to close above $17.08 this week to relock in and possibly test the upside of the Kumo cloud, getting back up to around 1750 level. Failure to do that, and it is dangling off the cliff here. It could really escalate to the downside if it does not relock in this week. Taking a look at XIV. XIV, after hitting a new high this week of 113.59, is pulled back to 107.86. All right, so it's needs to close above 103.96. Failure to do so will open up further downside to retest $91 handle. This one's looking tasty for short. Taking a look at Nvidia. All right, Nvidia is stronger than the Nasdaq right now. Came shy, you guys, of 41 cents, just shy 41 cents of hitting my $200 watermark that I have been telling you about for these past several weeks. Can it do it this week? I think it's going to try to do it this week. We shall see. As long as it closes above 189.29, bullish momentum is locked in, period. AMD came out with earnings after the bell. You'd already been warned about this one. A lot of people were trying to use it as a proxy to trade Bitcoin. I destroyed that argument some time ago because it was not tracking with the Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart. And I gave you alternatives that track better. This popping was based on earnings, but in the after hours market, total price destruction. Mad damage to the chart. Market got as low as $12.50, and after hours we closed at $14.25 today. So a lot of people got punched in the face in the after hours trading. All right. Now you could make an argument that it's still going to maintain, but I doubt it. It needs to close above 1371 this week, folks, in order to move higher and test these highs. At some point, it's going to do that. This is a real pointer here, and you got another one right here. So I think the sell-off will recover. I just don't know if it will be in time for this week or not. Let's see, GDXJ, looking at the junior gold miners. As you can see, I warned you about how it was looking last week, and now we are starting to accelerate to the downside. In order to stop this, it needs to close above $33.87 this week. Failure to do so, this thing will continue to plummet. Looking at SILJ on the silver side, same story, starting to accelerate to the downside, but at a much slower pace than the GDXJ. All right, anything else? No, not really. Oh, GBTC, looking at the Bitcoin space. Bitcoin has pulled back pretty substantially from that $6,000 high. You can see this one is red too. The GBTC gained that momentum last week, and now we're starting to give it back. So it could get sucked into the gulf here. Retest the trend line support of 390, 392, possibly getting even lower if a sell-off continues. Really, what's happening is you're not getting a real bullish run or a real sell-off. There's no conviction either way, but it is, the conviction is just not there. Bulls still in control of the market on the weekly, but when I blow up the daily down here at the bottom, you can see more of the picture, more of the same. It's just a market that is not in a hurry to do anything. See, loses it, comes right back. It's just flat. All right. Taking a look at BTCS. BTCS has been bit bopping around. Got as high as 22 cents, and now we're back down to 14 cents. So it's just waffling around. Needs to close though above 14. I'll say 0.1487 is what we need to close this week to lock in some bullish momentum. It hopes for a run at some point. We'll see. If not, then it's just going to probably drift sideways for a very long, extended period of time. All right, so with that being said, remember 7-day free trial at pulsewavetrading.com. Come on over, learn how to trade these markets. Take the study course. You need to take the study course, learn about these markets. And then you will take the advanced course, learning how to trade these pulse wave price triggers and make some money. Pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back to these greedy central banksters. And I'm out. Peace.